You're not broke because you can't make money. You're broke because you stopped doing what made you money the first time. If you've ever had money before, real money, and now you're back to zero, this video is for you, because the truth, you already proved you can do it. So why are you acting like you're starting from scratch? Today I'll show you how to rebuild your money by repeating the exact process that made you your first income. 1. Accept the truth. You didn't lose your ability. You lost your discipline. Think about it. How did you make your first serious money? You were focused. You were hungry. You were consistent. You were uncomfortable. Now compare that to today. Are you still doing those same actions daily? Or did comfort, ego, distractions, and lifestyle inflation take over? Be honest. 2. Break down your first success. Instead of chasing something new, sit down and analyze. Asterisk, what exact skill made you money? Asterisk, how did you get clients, customers? Asterisk, how many hours were you working daily? Asterisk, what sacrifices did you make? Asterisk, what environment were you in? Success leaves clues. If you made money through trading, gives you were studying charts daily. Sales gives you were making calls consistently. Freelancing gives you were pitching nonstop. Business gives you were marketing aggressively. You didn't get lucky. You executed. So what changed? 3. Repeat the formula. Here's the uncomfortable answer. Stop looking for a new strategy. Go back to the boring process. If you made money from posting content, gives post daily again. Cold outreach gives send messages again. Studying markets gives study again. Networking gives reach out again. Not motivation, not manifestation, not new shiny idea. Execution. Most people don't fail because they can't win. They fail because they abandon what works too early. 4. Why people don't repeat success. Ego. Once people make money, they think, I've leveled up. So they stop doing the basic things that got them there. But wealth is boring repetition. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your systems. Closing. If you made $1,000 before, you can make it again. If you made $100,000 before, you can make it again, but only if you humble yourself enough to repeat the process. You're not starting over, you're starting from experience.